Good morning, students. Welcome to the third module of the topic cubes and cuboids. It will be an application of second module regarding cube and subcubes. Now, in this section, we will revise with the help of an example. Now, earlier we have studied that in a cube we have 8 corners, 4 diagonals, 6 faces and 12 edges as usual. There is nothing changed. The only thing is we have now to revise it. Okay, in a cube like this, we have 8 corners, 6 faces, 12 edges, 4 diagonals, and we should remember that these things holds in every cube. And the formulae regarding it we will revise in a short form. That is, volume of a cube is side cube and the number of small cubes of edge B unit to be cut from the large cube of edge A unit is A divided by B whole power 1. That is the edge of the bigger cube divided by the edge of the smaller cube. Then next section is, if a cube is painted in all its outer surface with a color and further divided into smaller cubes, then different kinds of small cubes can be computed with the help of the following formulae. These are number of smaller cubes with 2 painted surfaces, capital N minus 2 multiply with 12. Number of smaller cubes with 3 painted surfaces is equal to 8. It remains the fixed because the whole faces of a cube is painted. Then number of smaller cubes with no painted surface is equal to capital N minus 2 whole square, where capital N is the number of divisions on a surface of the bigger cube. एक बड़े क्यूब के ऊपर जो नंबर ऑफ डिविजन्स हैं उसको हम कैपिटल एन से डिनोट करते हैं एंड इट्स फार्मूला इज वेरी सिंपल एज वी हैव डन ऑलरेडी. कैपिटल एन इज इक्वल टू एच ऑफ बिग क्यूब divided by edge of small cube. We should remember this formula. It is a very basic formula. We should know that the number of divisions on the surface of the bigger cube is this one. That is the base, and on the basis of it we will find our solutions. Now let us come to our questions. Now our first solved example is a cube of side is equal to 6 cm is painted white on all its surfaces and then divided into various smaller cubes, each of side 1 cm. Then determine the following 5 short MCQs. Now, number 1 is regarding what will be the number of divisions of the bigger cube. The edge of the bigger cube is 6 cm and the edge of the smaller cube is 1 cm. So, the number of divisions will be, first we will calculate what is capital N. Capital N is equal to 6 divided by 1 is equal to 6. So we have calculated the master point of this, that is capital N is how much? Capital N is equal to 6. Now question is the number of smaller cubes. Here it is taken as total number of smaller cubes, and the formula is number of total smaller cubes is equal to volume of bigger cube divided by volume of smaller cube, that is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 divided by 1 into 1 into 1, that is equal to 6 into 6 36, 36 into 6 is 216. So our answer will be here, number of smaller cubes is equal to D option, that is 216. So I have ticked D option and answer will be 216 smaller cubes. Similarly, we will now come to the second part, number of smaller cubes with 3 painted surfaces. 3 painted surfaces means all the faces of a cube is covered and every cube has 8 such surfaces. So this will be number 8 as usual. So 8 3 painted surfaces. There will be no change and it will remain as it is. Now next we have number of smaller cubes with 2 painted surfaces. Number of smaller cubes with 2 painted surfaces, and first we will write its formula, that is equal to capital N minus 2 whole square into 12. This formula will be capital N minus 2 then multiply with 12, that is equal to 6 minus 2, because we have capital N is equal to 6 multiply with 12, that is 4 into 12, that is equal to 48. So we have 48 small cubes, and here A option is 49, B option is 40, C option is 47 and D option is 48. So here none of these. Because neither A nor B nor C nor D is applicable here. Next, number of smaller cubes with 1 painted surface only. In this case, we will use the formula capital N minus 2 whole square multiply with 6. That is equal to 6 minus 2 whole square multiply with 6. That is equal to 4 square multiply with 6 is 16 into 6, that is equal to 96. So there are 96 smaller cubes. 48, 96, 65, 101. A 48, B 96, C 65, D 101. So our B option is correct, that is 96, and right here 96. Next we have number 5, and this says that number of smaller cubes with no painted surface means there is no paint on the surface of small cubes, that is the inner portion which is not painted, and that is solved by the formula capital N minus 2 whole square. I will use this formula capital N minus 2 whole square that is equal to 6 minus 2 whole square. 6 minus 2 means 4, rather it is cube. N minus 2 whole cube that is 4 whole power 3. 4 multiply with 4 multiply with 4 that is 64. So here A option is 64, B option is 46, C option is 16 and D option is 96. So our correct answer is 96 is the fourth one. D 96 is the fourth option. So out of these 64, 46, 16, 96 and our answer on solving comes out to be 64. So the correct option is A, that is 64. 64 no painted surfaces are in. No painted surfaces are of smaller cubes. Answer. So in this way we will solve our questions based on cubes and subcubes. We should remember it while solving our questions. And you will get an assignment based on this example and you will solve it by using the formula completely. If you have any doubt, you may call me anytime regarding the solution of these questions and we will discuss all our assignments of Monday, Wednesday and Thursday tomorrow, that is on Friday, in our online class. Be prepared and keep these assignments with you while discussing our problems. Thank you very much.